So seller concessions, if you're not familiar, rather than just negotiating purchase price with the seller, what those seller concessions can be used for is to reduce the amount of money that you're bringing to closing for closing costs. We can use some of that money to temporarily or even permanently buy down your interest rate. It's important to know that you've got the ability right now, depending on what market you're in, you can really ask for seller's concessions. It could be a great help to you. So if you don't know if your market's really balanced, this is something that might be useful to you. This is a market heat index. You just Google Zillow's market heat index. And what this is telling you is if that market is more favorable towards sellers or buyers. So zooming in here on Atlanta, Georgia, you can see this over time. The score right now is a 44, which means it's moderately a buyer's market. When we were, what was that, 2021, we were all the way up to 77, 2020, 74. So that's when we had the huge inventory crunch. Rates went way down. People were flooding the market and we had more buyers than we had sellers. Well, we're seeing the sellers slowly start to come to market. We're seeing a lot more buyers come to market as well at the same time. So that means demand and supply, they're not outpacing one another. We're in a pretty balanced market. Rates aren't dropping dramatically, but at least you can still get rates in the high fives, mid sixes, low sevens. You can get whatever rate you want, but there's a way to structure it depending on what market you're in. So looping back to seller concessions, that's one tool that we can use to kind of mitigate those things. The important things are buying your house right, making sure that you're talking with an agent who knows what that property is valued at in the market. Maybe you're not going in and asking. Maybe you're going a little lower, but maybe you're asking for some seller concession. Those are the things that are helping people win deals in this market. If you don't have a good real estate agent, let me know and let me know what area you're looking in, because I can find an agent that's in tune with that particular market and find somebody who's done a good job for me. My number is 404-561-6695. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a fantastic week.